This is How-Tos with Aaron, and today we're replacing rotten trim on the corner of a house. Here's the trim. Rotten, blistered, needs to be replaced. Basically, we're going to look for where the rotten wood stops and where there's a nail. Got a nail right there. So I'm going to take this multi-tool and cut it off right at a good place. Alright, we've got that done. Now I'm going to take a razor knife and cut the caulk on the sides so it doesn't rip the paint off when we take the board off. And I would just take our hammer, a few taps, a little pry, old ones off. Take a tape measure, measure from the bottom of the siding to the top. We got it 45 1/4. We're going to go ahead and do 46 so that it overhangs the siding just a little bit. Okay, we've got our board 46. Square it up and let it rip. Alright, we've got a trim nailer, 18 gauge nails. Get it in place, lined up real nice and tight. Little caulk and a little paint, and it's a done job. And that's the easy way to replace rotten trim boards. Remember, we can do all things through Christ, and He can do all things through us.